Kate here at WTI. Now, if you want to have your pet on all your furniture, but without the mess, this paw-inspired blanket is your solution. What I love about this blanket is that it is stylish, but super functional. So it solves a problem, but it looks really nice. It's very soft. It's got this really nice quilting on it, nicely stitched, but it is waterproof. So if your pet happens to have an accident, it's all contained on the blanket. We have an indoor dog who loves the outdoors. So he's always going outside in the rain, in the mud, in the snow, whatever time of year. His paws are getting yucky, his fur is not always great, but he loves to hop on our furniture. So this has solved the problem for us. If we don't happen to catch him before he runs through the house, if he hops on our bed, it's not damaging our comforter or our couch or furniture or whatever. You can take this in the car as well. It's reversible, so we have the one side that's this tan color and the other side is gray, so it can go with all kinds of decor. This is the king size, so we actually leave it spread out on our bed all the time since our dog sleeps with us. It has saved the day more than once, so it's been a really great asset for us. It's also machine washable, so that makes it really simple to maintain. So if you love your pet but not the mess, I think you'll find this blanket the perfect solution, and that's my point of view.